10 o'clock.
This is the cuckoo clock that I got 6 years ago from my family. My parents bought me this from Germany when they went to visit a couple of years ago. My stepfather was doing a 6-month work thing in France, and his sister got married in Germany, and they went over there and they bought me this cuckoo clock. It is battery powered, and currently it's sounding a bit sad because the batteries are going flat. And I've just noticed now, this little plate here, it's got these little soldiers on it, is supposed to rotate. And for whatever reason, it's not rotating properly. Yeah, I don't quite know why that isn't working properly. So as you heard, the clock plays music every hour, on the hour basically. And there's a sensor on the clock that detects light, so at night when the room gets dark, it doesn't keep going off every hour and waking people up. I've been talking to a couple of people on Skype, a couple of YouTube users on Skype, and the clock is very near my computer. There's the computer over there. So when I'm talking on Skype, that clock goes off and I get a lot of comments about that clock. A lot of people seem to like it. So that's it. And you can see the pendulum swinging below the clock there. The whole thing is made of wood. I don't know what kind of wood it is, but it's very delicate, very fragile, and unfortunately it has had a few falls. It's been knocked over a couple of times, and I just wonder if that's why that plate thing there wasn't rotating properly. That actually really worries me now, because this is such a beautiful clock and it would have been very expensive. It is made in Germany, so it would have been quite an expensive piece of equipment when my parents bought it. I really like this clock a lot. Yeah. It is sounding a little bit sad at the moment because I've well put new batteries in it, but apart from that it works really well. Anyway, thanks for watching.